When it comes to my hand tools, the chisels, plane blades, and carving tools, I know how to keep those sharp, and I know that they'll perform a lot better when they are sharp. But that same principle applies to some of my other tools in the shop as well. Take Forstner bits, for example. After a while, they can start to burn more in a workpiece and this not work as well, clog up even. But you can actually touch these up yourselves and get a lot better performance out of them. The trick here is to use the right tools. Now what I like to do is use these diamond paddles that you can find in a lot of places. I like the fine and the super fine, unless the bit's really in some terrible shape, and then you can step down to the medium. But what I'll do is take a little bit of oil, put that on the paddle, and then I'll take a number of strokes right on the lifter on the front face of the Forstner bit. Then I'll rotate the bit and get the other face as well. Same number of strokes. Then I'll do the same thing with the superfine paddle. And the key here, like I said, when you're working is to keep the paddle flat on that surface so that you get a smooth, clean edge without any rounding. Now on that face, when you're done, you should be able to see quite a bit of difference and that it'll look flatter and even a little shinier. You'll find that the performance of the Forstner bit is vastly improved. And in fact, I found that I can find some bargain Forstner bits that you might get at a home center and turn them into high performance bits just with a little tune-up. So you can get yourself some diamond paddles and tune up not only your Forstner bits but other tools as well and really enjoy your woodworking more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding new tips and great woodworking videos. So hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.